Let's talk about playing your own melodies on the piano and using melodies to channel emotions to help you heal. The first step is to pick your key. We're going to do the key of G major. Now, since we know what notes are inside of this key, we can play around with the order of the notes and make music out of that. But if we just play random notes, we're never really channeling any specific emotion. And as a result, we'll probably not feel very fulfilled after playing the music. That's why it's really important to understand how melodies work. If you want to create a feeling of peace and of happiness, then you may be interested in using chord melodies.